This is Cindy from Cindy's Home Kitchen, and as you can see on my hand right here, there's a coconut. That this is the place where we got it from, and it says there are coconuts. You can see it. It's the other here, and hear that? That's the water. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is can you show my face so people know it's me? Come on. There you go, Michael. Okay, so I'm gonna knock it with this. I used to have a thing to crack it, a little like mullet. But you guys can ask Michael about that. You know what he did, guys? You know what Michael did? Yeah. Okay, Michael, can you move with your phone? So it's gonna. Oh, I think we're gonna need a to crack it, a hammer. But here we are back. Here's my coconut, guys. And of course, I went downstairs to the garage to see where my hammer is, but I couldn't find it. That means that one of these two got it. And Michael said he doesn't have it, so I guess it's Junior got my hammer. You know, so I'm trying. You gotta move. Okay, so you have your phone right, and I can hit it with this, but okay. I gotta crack this. My dad used to put a knife right there. That's what my dad used to do. I'm gonna do what my dad used to do, guys. He's having a hard time with this. Let's see if it works. My dad used to do this. Yep, I got it already. Yep. To cut, hey. So the juice, I remember he used to, I'll cut it like that and put a straw and sometimes crack it, see? So you guys can see. See the water coming out? Let me see. Coconut water is the best, guys. So what I need to do is crack it. So here we go, guys. Oh, it's cracking there.
Crack.
There you go. So that's how we crack the big log here. And then what we got, my mom used to crack it in more parts because that way it's easier to get it out. Hold on. There you go, like that. So, and this is what my mom used to do. Look at a little piece. This is what my mom used to do, I know. She used to go like this with her knife. But my mom used to take like a knife that cuts, you know. But I'm not experienced doing this. But I'm gonna make sure that I take it all out. When I'm done, all of it is gonna look like this. Okay, this is the inside of it. This is what the coconut looks like after it's all chopped up. Later on, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with it. I'm thinking about making an ice cream, like real coconut ice cream. So I'm gonna need condensed milk, and I'm gonna need some heavy cream. And this is the coconut. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna blend it in the blender, and then I'm gonna squeeze out the milk. So that milk of the coconut is what I'm gonna use, mixed with the condensed milk, and also with the heavy cream, and then sugars and whatnot. So thanks for subscribing, and don't drink and drive. Thanks for watching.